Hiya! Are you way past your infancy? A fully functioning adult, but still can't do simple things like make fried rice? Well, this video was made specifically with you in mind. There are a lot of fried rice recipes on YouTube, but Uncle Roger has shown great disappointment in many. So I've decided I needed to make Uncle Roger proud by making a fried rice recipe that won't give him a heart attack. The key thing for any stir fry is that you need to get your ingredients ready before you start cooking. Here I've got my days old rice, stiff and hard, just how I like it, 2 eggs that will mix in a bowl with salt and chicken bouillon powder. We'll dice half an onion, smash and chop up 2 cloves of garlic, separate the spring onion into whites and greens. This is my protein of choice, lapchan, or latang, which is a preserved Chinese sausage. I'll use half and slice thinly. Heat up that family heirloom. Heat up that wok and add some oil, baby. Let's fry up our lapchan. Then we'll add our onions, garlic, and the whites of our spring onion. Stir fry for a bit. And then we'll move our vegetables aside so we can fry up our egg. Scramble the eggs, then we'll add the rice. And use the back of the spatula to flatten chunks of rice. Add soy sauce. Now before Uncle Roger asks, "Where the MSG?" I've decided to do a very Asian thing by using soy sauce infused with MSG. Genius, eh? If this fried rice recipe is still too hard for you, let me know, because believe it or not, there's an even easier 2-step recipe for fried rice. Get the steaming rice, delicious. If you follow this recipe from the start to the end and your rice doesn't turn out good, then it's probably not my fault, and you should reconsider your life choices that brought you down this path of incompetency and disappointment to your family.